I think I should go out. I need to show off my hair.
Hello everyone, another day, another wig tutorial. So I'm hoping our previous video, you've seen it. In case you've not seen it, please go see it, like, subscribe if you've not subscribed. And I'm hoping the algorithm shows that video to Afro hair lovers, natural hair wig lovers. Algorithm, YouTube, favor this channel, please. So today, I'm going to be styling a Fringe Afro-centric beauty hair. It's coily, it's voluminous, it's very soft, very easy to work with. So I hope you'll love it. And when you love it, hopefully you come to our page Hairpopsng to place an order. And because I'm still on my hair, I'm going to be styling it on my beautiful Arewa mannequin. But when I'm done, if I'm not really satisfied with what Arewa is giving me, I could just weave my hair back and wear it. So let's get to it. Please, if you've not seen the previous video, go see it. And yeah, I'm so happy being back on YouTube. Is it being back, or I'm so happy that I'm able to stay consistent. This is my second video. Pray for me to continue doing this because I actually really love it. So yeah, let's get to it.
The key is to take your time. I start by trimming a little at a time because you can always cut more, but you can't put the hair back.
So after styling it on my mannequin, it's beautiful, but I feel like it will look better on me. So I'm going to style my hair now. I'm going to add water, leave-in conditioner, then weave it back and wear the wig. So let's get to it. This wig is so light, like so lightweight. Doesn't even feel like I'm holding anything. See, yeah. Let this be my okay now. I love it. Do you love it? Let me know in the comment section. And it's so soft, guys. Really soft. Oh my god. I feel like a princess. A black queen. A pretty black queen. So check out Hairpopsng on Instagram. I will be expecting your orders.
I think I should go out. I need to show off my hair.
Thanks for watching. And please like, subscribe, and expect the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.